want a serene environment where you can feel at home in the forest? My name is Esther Amina Oyo, the Marketing Officer at the Institute of Primate Research. The Oloolua Nature Trail offers a perfect environment for all your outdoor activities, photography, videography, educational walks, and a perfect place to have church meetings. Come, let's take a walk. The Crowned Eagle Hide is the first point we come across when getting into the nature trail. This is the waterfall, a spectacular, breathtaking sight. It sets you into a peaceful mood as the tickling water flows down the Bagathi River. This is the Bamboo Rest Point, a place you can relax, reflect, and embrace nature. This is Mau Mau Cave, a historic cave deepening into the forest surface. It was used by the Mau Mau freedom fighters as a hiding place during the war. The Papyrus Swamp will give you a beautiful feeling as you watch the refreshing water flow down between the reeds. This is our camping site, a well-secured place for you to relax and have your nyam chom throughout the night with your friends and family. Our tour guides, Masharia and Silva, always on standby to take you through the nature, and our security team, ready to protect you throughout the night and day for camping lovers. The Oloolua Nature Trail offers perfect tranquility with magnificent views. Come, let's see what nature has to offer. Welcome to Oloolua Nature Trail. Yay!